Hey guys, what's going on? This is Jung. Welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about the Remark Catback exhaust that I recently put on my STI, and I'm going to give you some sound clips as well as my initial and current impressions of the exhaust. Let's get started. We're going to put the GoPro on the rear bumper so that we can get a cold start clip as well as just a little bit of driving around. By the way, what we're running here is a Remark non-resonated midpipe with a Remark 4-inch quad tip exhaust. If you can take a look here, as well as here. And I really like how the way these look. They fill in the space really nicely in a way that the stock exhaust doesn't. And on a side note, I also did install the third brake light. This one is by OLM. It is the F1 style brake light. Anyways, going back to the exhaust, when I first installed it, my impression the next day when I gave it the first cold start was that it was way too loud. And in all honesty, it still is kind of loud when you cold start it, but I've kind of just gotten used to it, and it's not as bad when you're inside the car, so it's honestly not that bad. And I actually like how it sounds, especially when you're in motion and you're already driving. It has a really nice tone, and I really like that. It just gives the classic Subaru sound, and that's exactly what I was looking for. I guess it was more so that I was surprised that from the sound clips that I had looked up, while I was doing research on what exhaust to get, it didn't do it justice as to how loud it would actually be when you cold started it. But again, that's something that I've gotten used to, and I just wanted to share that experience with you. Just one other thing that I wanted to add in, I was a little bit afraid that there would be a lot of drone because there's no resonator and there's no mufflers either, but surprisingly it really doesn't drone. I've spoken to a couple of people who have personal experience with Remark exhausts, and they said it didn't drone. They said it sounded really nice and it was really quality, and so I took their word for it and I purchased it, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. So yeah, that's about it. Just wanted to make a quick video about my thoughts and also provide some sound clips. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll catch you guys next time.